Assalamu alaikum pyare Hazur. My name is Jahanzib Khan. I am 15 years old from Yorkshire region. My question is, in the Qur'an chapter 6 verse 160, Allah states, "As for those who split up their religion and become divided into sects, thou hast no concern with them at all. Surely their case will come before Allah, then shall He inform them of what they used to do," meaning that sects are forbidden. So why is Ahmadiyya a sect?
You see, it was the prophecy of the Holy Prophet ﷺ that in the latter days my ummah will be divided into 72 sects. Okay? And each sect will think that they are on the right path. They will have different point of views, and each sect will think that their point of view is the best, and they are following the true teaching of the Qur'an, and they are following the Sunnah of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. This, see, in the present Muslim sects, there are some sects who are following Holy Qur'an. They do not believe in Hadith. Some, they are following Hadith and they give more preference to Hadith. And some other people have some different point of views. So, this prophecy has been fulfilled among Muslims as well. Although in the past prophets' communities, it happened in the same way, but among Muslims it also happened. And now the Holy Prophet ﷺ also said, when this will happen, then at that time a reformer will come, who will follow my true teachings, who will guide you, and he will be called Messiah and Mahdi, the rightly guided person. And the person who is rightly guided will guide you on the same way. This is why the Prophet Messiah ﷺ, we believe that that person whose advent was foretold by the Holy Prophet ﷺ has come in the person of Mirza غلام of Qadian. He said that Allah Ta'ala has appointed me as the Messiah and Mahdi of this age according to the prophecy of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. And now he has made it clear to me what are the right teachings. So I am also the person who will decide what is wrong and what is right. He is Hakam and Adal. He will have to make the decision according to the teaching of the Holy Qur'an and the Sunnah. This is why the Prophet Messiah ﷺ says that we have to give preference first to the Holy Qur'an, where all the teachings about the religions are given. Then we have to follow the Sunnah, what the Holy Prophet ﷺ practiced, and then we should see the Hadith, which were collected almost 150 years later, and then see that how many of them are correct and are supporting the verses of the Holy Qur'an, or the Holy Qur'an supports whatever they are saying. So then, so he is the rightly guided, Prophet Messiah ﷺ is the rightly guided person who started this community according to the prophecy of the Holy Prophet ﷺ and according to the prophecy of Allah Ta'ala himself. Because in Surah Jummah, Allah Ta'ala says that the community will be established, and on the footsteps of the same community which the Holy Prophet ﷺ has established. Right? So this our sect is that sect whose commencement was prophesied by the Holy Prophet ﷺ himself and the Holy Qur'an itself. And the person who was to come in the later days was to bring all the different sects of all the different Muslim sects on one hand. This is why he is called Mahdi. So here the situation is different. All those sects which were established or developed, they were following different school of thoughts according to the teaching of Qur'an and Hadith and this and that. But here, this sect, Ahmadiyya sect, was established according to the prophecy of the Holy Qur'an and the Holy Prophet ﷺ. This is why we cannot say that Jamaat Ahmadiyya is the same sect as the other normal sects in Islam. They were the sects which were developed because of the deviation in their school of thoughts. This and the promised Messiah who was to come has come to join them together, to bring them together, so that he forms a one sect, and that is Jamaat Ahmadiyya, and that is according to the prophecy of the Holy Prophet ﷺ. Right? Okay? Clear or not?
Yeah.
If not, then you can write it to me again.
Okay. Jazakallah.